Hi, my name is Aman Mittal. I'm a resident of Delhi. I did my BTech in computer science from Bennett University. Currently, I'm pursuing PGDM with specialization in marketing from IMI New Delhi. I did my summer internship with Asian Paints, where I worked in the retail business units in Jaipur location, where I was assigned on 2 projects under the guidance of Assistant General Manager. So my first project was to develop an end-to-end plan across product categories to achieve volume and value targets. My second project was to create an action plan for their waterproofing product, particularly for small set of dealers. During my stint of 2 months at Asian Paints, I visited more than 58 towns in Jaipur upcountry region to survey and gather insights from existing and prospective customers. Apart from that, I also analyzed past sales data using multiple analytical tools to make data-driven decisions. The internship was designed very engaging with the involvement of multiple stakeholders over there, which helped me to understand the intricacies of the sale and develop my knowledge around distribution chain. Through the continuous evaluation by the corporate mentors and the faculty mentors, I was successfully able to complete my summer internship.